Montessori language class. Teach your child to read and write with our free online tutorials.
Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn letter K, L and their sound. This is K. K says K. Say K. Kite. 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 Kangaroo. Kangaroo. Ing. King. E. Key. This is L. L says L. Lion. Lion. Ladybug. Ladybug. Lemon. Lemon. Ladder. Ladder. Do you have this worksheet with you? You are going to cut around the dotted line and keep all the pieces next to you. Are you done cutting all your worksheet? Let's move on to next one. When we say kite, what first sound we make? Kite. Kite. K goes under K. Put picture of kite under K. Lion. Lion. Goes under L. Picture of lion under L. Ladybug. Ladybug. L. Goes under L. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. Lemon. Lemon. L. E. Key. Ladder. Ladder. L. King. King. Are you done sorting all the pictures? Let's move on to next one. Let's play I Spy game. I spy with my little eye something start with K. Let's find something start with K. Do you see anything start with K? Oh, here. Kit. K. It. Kit. We are done with this. We are going to circle it now. I spy with my little eye something start with L. Let's find something start with L. Lamb. 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 We are done with this L. We have to circle that. Now we are going to find rest of the picture start with K and L and circle all of these. When you are done, you can move on to next one. What picture of this? This is the lion, but it starts with L. You are going to find L and circle that. Oh, here it is. Let's circle that. Now you are going to find rest of the first sound of this picture. When you are done, we can move on to next one. Here we are going to learn how to write K and L. K and L. Let me show you. We are going to start with this black dot here and follow this arrow. You are going to watch first. Now you trace on your worksheet on K. We are going to trace one more time. You done tracing on K. Now we'll trace on L. L. Going to start again with the black dot here and follow arrow. Now we're going to trace one more time. Are you done tracing on your worksheet on L? Great. Good job. You did it. Well, we're done with today's lesson. See you next time. Bye-bye.